In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download your Squarespace website. First, let's make sure you have everything set up correctly. You're going to need to open Squarespace and make sure that you're logged into your account. This is really important because without logging in, you won't have access to the essential tools and features we'll be using today. Once you've logged in, you'll land on your homepage. Take a good look at the left bottom corner of your screen, where you'll notice your profile icon. Go ahead and click on that icon. Doing so will lead you to a page where you can select the specific website you're interested in working on. This step is crucial, particularly if you manage multiple websites, as you want to make sure you're downloading the right content. After selecting the website you want to work on, the next thing to do is copy the link or URL of this website. This is easy to do by navigating to the browser bar at the top of the page where your site's address is displayed. Once you've copied that link, you're halfway there. Now, we need to shift gears a bit and head over to the HTTrack website. This website is not associated with Squarespace, but is a powerful tool designed to help you download websites. You'll need to download HTTrack onto your computer. Once the download is complete, open the installer and follow the setup instructions, starting with clicking the Next button. During this installation process, you'll be prompted to name your project. Choose a name that's clearly associated with your website so it's easy to identify later on. With the project name set, click Next. In the upcoming window, you will see options under the Action tab. Here you want to select Download Websites because that's precisely what we're aiming to do. This is the part where you paste in the website URL you copied earlier. Simply right-click and paste it into the designated field. Once you've made sure everything is correctly entered, you can proceed by clicking Next. Before HTTrack begins the download process, it will confirm everything you've set up. Then, click the Finish button and let HTTrack do its magic. The software will begin downloading your website, creating a faithful mirror of your online presence that you can now access offline. And just like that, you've successfully downloaded your Squarespace website using HTTrack. Each time you want to lose or move it, it's conveniently saved as a project on your computer. I hope this guide was helpful. Thank you for watching and happy web managing.